Hello friends, today I will show you how to sideload APKs on the Android TV, as well as how to increase internal storage of Android TV. Uh, Internal storage expansion is a key feature in Sony Android TVs because they offers inbuilt functionality to expand your internal storage. So we will get to know that how we will increase that internal storage. So I have this SanDisk pen drive, as you can see that SanDisk pen drive, and I will plug it then into USB port. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have plugged that USB storage into my TV. Now friends, you will get this notification pop up on your TV. So here is the option. Here is the option to register your device as USB storage. So if you select this option, then you will get more space to install your apps, whatever content you want to access on your Android TV, and that will be used as internal storage. So here it is how to install that apps and increase internal storage. Now I will proceed to how to sideload apps on TV. So hello friends, I have installed this Explore app to explore my USB storage, or to view my files basically, and let's open it. Now you will see APKs folder where I have placed my APKs. So I have these 4 apps selected for my installation: Jio Cinema, Jio TV. One is Tubi TV, which is a movies app, which you get that is not available, I guess, on Play Store. So you have to download it on search it on Google. I have a Xender app for mobile, which I want to sideload on Android TV. So we will also install that one. So first of all, open this file. Next you will see this installation box, then select next, then select install, and your app will be installing. Wait for some seconds to get it finished. So now that app is installed, currently we will select done. Then we will also install this one, that is Jio TV. Basically friends, I wanted the Jio TV functionality on my TV, but I can access it through their online website, that is jiotv.com or something like that. But browser support is not that good on Android TV. I tried to install multiple times Chrome also. I will try it later. If you want that, I will also make a video on that also. So let's install this Tubi TV right now, and further we will install Xender app. I'm not currently selecting that OG YouTube and Micro G because it may void YouTube terms and conditions, so I will not proceed with that. But you may search on Google and try OG YouTube app also. It has more functionalities than built-in YouTube app. It has functionalities like if you want to play some song, and if we close YouTube app, then song stops playing. But if you select the option from OG YouTube, that background, then video keeps on playing at background also, and you can listen to that song basically. So let's install this Xender app. And, Micro G OGYT is a extension for that app. it requires that extensional app to install for its working of OG YouTube app. So that one is extension for that. That doesn't provide anything special functionality, but it is just provide some built-in functionalities to OG YouTube app which otherwise cannot be accessed. So let's select done, and so friends, I have installed 4 apps, but I cannot see them on my apps list. So I have found a way to launch that app. So this is the app available on the Play Store, which is called as Sideload Launcher. I have installed that from Play Store. You can search on the Play Store. Now you can also wonder about where is the Play Store, and here is the Play Store. You can open that and search for that Sideload Launcher. So it has mic functionality, so I can Sideload Launcher. Sideload Launcher. So this is the app, friends. You have to install that app for accessing your side-loaded app. So take back and open the Sideload Launcher. Now we have opened the Sideload Launcher. These all are the side-loaded apps, and we want to launch only Jio TV and Jio Cinema right now. It will take some time to load, as it is not a Android phone that have powerful processor, so it will take time. TV is basically provided with very less configuration. Now you can see that, friends, my TV is this side, but the orientation of the app is another side. So I will just place my username, password, and then I will get back to you. So friends, now I have signed in into my account, and as you can see, I have opened the Jio Cinema app, and I can basically view the content what is available on Jio Cinema, but I cannot select any one of them. You can see that I am pressing this button, but I cannot go anywhere. It is just moving in between movies, TV, music, and that tabs, but I am not able to select the content. Like there is the Dabangg 2 film, Singham Returns, but I cannot select that one. So basically it is of no use if you can't watch that content on the TV. So we will move to next app. So this is Sideload Launcher. We are opening that one. Now we are heading towards Jio Cinema is gone. Right now we will take a look on Jio TV. Okay. So there is Jio TV. I have selected that one, and now it is asking for certain permissions. Let's allow them. That one is opening. Now friends, you can see that I can move downwards, but I am not able to select. Let's wait for loading the content. Actually connection is not available, it's saying check your connectivity. Actually this one app is this is cracked app, and it can work on any connection. This does not require a Jio connection, and I have also connected to BSNL connection, so that's not a problem of the connection, but it's problem actually of due to APK. That APK is based on the mobile, and we are running it on the Android TV. So it will not actually, it will show you the app UI, but it will not actually work when you try to try to navigate through the channels, and when you select that one channel and you want to watch that content, you cannot do that. So we have no use of that functionality. Some apps however works with that conditions, like when you take a app from mobile and you sideload it on Android TV, then some app might work, but I have not stumbled across such app. So I will let you know if I get like that app. So now I have launched the Tubi TV app from Sideload Launcher, and now we will see how it works with it. So this app is also best for mobile, but I am running it on Android TV, so it is asking for my account. So I will get back to you after I sign in. So friends, here I tried to sign in into my account, but basically I could not navigate through that create account and sign in button right there, and that's why I am unable to sign in into this app. So it is of no use as both of previous, like Jio Cinema and Jio TV also. So I could get into that apps, but here I cannot do that. So let's move forward to next app. So guys, here is Zender app from Sideload Launcher, and we are selecting that one, and it is opening, I guess. Yes, it's opening. So Zender is open. Allow changing settings. Zender has access to storage, transfer files, location, ground permission, and setting. Okay. It is showing that pop-up, but basically I could not get to that. Let's close the. So let's grant the permission to Zender app. Here I am with Zender app. Now I am searching for permission. There are permissions. Let's grant, and also grant this one. I don't want permission issue. So you go to settings, then apps, then permissions, and move to the app which you are searching for, that is Zender. Then grant all the permissions. Now I will try to launch it from Sideload Launcher. Let's get back to Zender. So here is Zender. Open that one. Allow changing settings. Now also it is saying that I have granted all the permissions, friends, but it's not working also. So all the 4 apps we tested are not working, and side loading apps may be helpful for some applications which are not available on Play Store, but they are developed for Android TV. So that one is the benefit of that thing. But here is the thing is that when we try to install apps from mobile, it will run in this aspect ratio, not this one. So the screen is treated as mobile screen, so obviously it will work like mobile screen, but it also restricts us from navigating through app, because friends, we only have these navigation buttons, like we can move downward, right side and left side, but we have other buttons also, but for navigation we only have these buttons. So that one is also a con. I will try to connect my mouse to this TV, and then I will get back to you. So friends, I tried as the navigation was the main problem, so I tried connecting my mouse to this Jio TV app to my Android TV and then navigating from my mouse to this Jio TV. Now I was certainly the mouse was easier than the remote, but I can navigate through content. But if I try to watch something like mouse is not working. Like if I select this one, then it says content, then it says content not available offline. So actually this content is loaded online, so basically I am online, but it's not it's when I try to watch a content and I select the content, I am getting an error that content not available online. So basically you cannot use this app also. So friends, this concluded my video, and thanks for watching. Keep your support. Sorry for my bad English.